Taqsim Baladi starts, as the name implies, with a taqsim. Now, a taqsim is a solo instrumental section, and it allows the musician to showcase their skills and for the dancer to also showcase hers. To create a beautiful undulation, you need to find the planes that your hips move along. Shift forwards and shift back, and then take it back, release, shift forwards, release the knees and contract through the abs, shift back, release the pelvis so the bottom sticks out and shift forwards. And then roll those together to create an undulation. Some people find it easier to have one foot slightly forwards. This enables you to shift the pelvis slightly further and creates a deeper undulation. You can change the size of the undulation by reducing the pelvic motion and just using the musculature to create a small undulation. Now I'm using figure of eights, standard horizontal figure of eights, to swing me to one side and do undulations there. And then use the figure of eight again, some facing forwards, and then swing to the other side to perform more undulations. You can vary the speed and amount that you do with the phrasing of the music. Practice combining the two and varying the size of the undulations. Don't forget to bring your arms into play as well. Do you recognize the rhythm? Listen. It's the Wahda Kabira.